If you're looking for a clean, modern, production-ready React business template that you can fully customize, expand, and even connect to your own backend, then this video is for you. Today, I'm showcasing one of our premium UI templates built completely with React, fully component-based, and structured for scalability. And yes, the full zip file and GitHub repo will be available for download. Before we dive in, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're into React templates, full-stack development, and clean UI architecture. Let's get into it. This template is built entirely with React, Tailwind CSS, and a fully reusable component architecture. It has a clean and scalable folder structure. It includes a premium Navbar with animated drop-downs, services pages with sidebar layouts, blog listing and blog detail pages, project showcase and project detail pages, reusable FAQ accordions, reusable cards for stats, features, steps, and testimonials, newsletter and footer sections, and a clean, responsive design across all screen sizes. Everything is broken into reusable components like service detail hero, service sidebar, blog post card, project stats row, Accordion components, and more. This means you're not working with one massive file. You're working with modular, reusable building blocks. Now, very important, this template does not include a backend. There is no database, no authentication, no API integration. Why? Because this makes it perfect for developers who want to connect it to their own backend, students learning full-stack development, developers using Node.js, Express, Supabase, Firebase, Django, Laravel, or anything. You can easily plug this into Next.js, Remix, Vite, or even convert it into a static site. The structure makes it extremely easy to migrate. If you're finding value so far, go ahead and like the video, as it really helps the channel grow and lets me know you want more templates like this. Inside the project, you'll find organized components folders, page-level containers separated from UI components, a clean asset structure, logical naming conventions, and reusable UI patterns. This is not just a template, but a learning resource. If you're a beginner, you can study component composition, layout systems, reusable UI architecture, Tailwind utility structuring, and clean state management patterns. If you're a developer, you can turn this into a client website, a SaaS landing platform, a portfolio system, or even integrate it into a full production application. The full zip file of this template will be available for download on craftedtemplate.com, along with the GitHub Repository link, setup instructions, and additional developer notes. Everything will be linked in the description below. If you want more templates like this, React, Next.js, full-stack ready UI systems, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. We're building powerful templates for developers and learners. I'll see you in the next one.